Akwa Badwam TV Badwam so yadani te kotegwa se ni nkranhye nsama wode abreye Jordan opay de edu so no Adom TV Badwam kase ne etodwa omu bi ya wobetini China ni baako ena Ghana for 9 de won ato anananom nsie do yede honsam no ebebro na afa ya bwawura ensam foforo mu make say enipa enan ewo sa explosion krona mu no ya discharge womo amamienu so womo dabre mu no edin eno ni nsem na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase oko YouTube Adom TV 2 ye show live na afa o she Go TV ne ye channel 119 na DSTV ye 280 mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT so den nsem ni nchiremu etie China ni baako ena Ghana de hye nan ya won ye adwuma ewo omni queries ye no wo sama mensinimu ewo western mantem no ewo atoye mantem mu eyo my Ghana mu de won ato na nanom ewo nsiedo bra chemical explosion bi course na wotwe awieye Adom TV kase
Impact 4 na I Ghana for trade na Chinese in one no one watch ya yanmo seven as with you Chinese 4 so you won't be our and you suspect they were present when the explosion took place. We are still looking for them. Now, the explosion was very, the impact was very great. The neighboring settlements in Ano were affected. Some of the chartered, dismembered bodies of some of the victims. But it's an unfortunate and a very sad sight. And all measures be put in place to ensure that science and science CBU.
Yeah, one order Efiam Kwanta Regional Hospital, yeah, Dr. Joseph Tambil. One also the atuja say any pension and many munano. One do one by Efiam Kwanta Regional Hospital was a chemical explosion, yeah, a sea war quarry site, a war shama.
We received a total of 6 patients, 4 of whom we managed and sent home. There are 2 currently with us here. One is in critical condition. He sustained head injury with multiple lacerations to the face and the neck. Currently, he's responding to treatment. We're yet to do investigations like CT scan to ascertain the degree of the head injury. Yeah, but by and large, he's doing having been brought here. But I only know the 6.
Wasara hosam no asi ye na otwe awie ye ntemu no adehye bi a womo ewo sama anto mia hodo no a womo ben sa baby explosion no si ye wo sama mensinimu wato emantemu nso womo ede wonsam etuja
12 o'clock. Yere yada yede mwa yebeti de dani nyina wo so dani nyina sheki kiki mpa ye dazu nyina rotu ya donko mpa ye loko hey abasam yebeti bro nyeme nyina bubu yado nyeme nyina bubu yado yesilin abadi na bubu yado eni yesole girigiri yesole so light off ye hu bebiala amfa mo so ko hwe me mo fama dem o abubu amodo eni ye yi won pay yeri wonu pay eni ye fa pado hey de na si yeri na pado ye beti da hanyina ye ko adi show ye fa na asem ye si ene bra ben o fre na adwuma mu am se adwuma nu na asem na si kware yi na ukuye no
owu awia eye assemblyman ewo shama anto electoral area oni amani boni enkomo twetwe mu ene wadi tu dwa se asemu ayesi ne de areho pa ya wadi ato ankorankore ene adwumaku ahuduro nyina enim se omeboa manfo a watempotem ho no mu a wajapade asese
say asoze na odi dem asem yes because you've been told not to keep this explosive here why do you store this on site
yambra hane mbo hema or kodo e wa ha nte kokuma nkasa the waste we obi be na adwene o ya happen waste
why do you do this I mean this is too bad
I'm sorry na misilin wo bu modam do nti ekoye ne kokura wo ha ohwe ayerfa na do hwe no nwana watimamufu wo ha no clinic nsisi no so nyina egbuegum a nurses fo no wontum na wonye dwuma sisia mehina owo hade ne luvesi hina wodwure gufo bibiri wukruma wanzama ase ewo hono wonam za wotum na wesi wo hanti nti da wabandi na no yan ososo pa asam kase na wesi ewo ha se apiate ye penyina ahaya kakra o sende on the phone kra on the phone
Radema eprafo no nyina yaresa wona edi kan so rademfo wonkra ensi nti semwe no yebeto so na yahwe na de achi sei enete ewo ho Adom TV kase na o hwe no yeto so de makonsam foforo mu kra na asitware ensuo no eye kato anyinasu nsamso bi a edaso no abuagum ye no wo bekum east mensemu wo bono mantam no mu na ne tibia ne sade aye no eni hu kwan se bugumu kura ye ntimi emfanya adwuma bi mu nti dia ye sesia na de ehumbo abesha de hye faso ne titiri mu no omdo wade strato Adom TV kase anim sempenfo entie na sopem no medi hu dwuma emfama wo
akra ni esuro ya ye namfo no momte bobo ya so moto sakre obia suro o momte suro akra na ensuo no tokese wentimi makurom bikura na ni nam uni hwe a wo ba be udi be waduane ni nyina age se wo ba nti no kwan ne de nyame anim enye
enro nsuo ni yiri ya free ba bia bicycle wura ya duri ebe sin ya koduru ha ya na ugina ha o ye on hwe enye yi nyame anim so amanfo te soro ha anwumra no so binu nsuo kan mo hye kurom tina wo so mbesin ko ena obi so ba kurom na wo so okọ na kura ase nora najo oduru ha no na onhu ba bia obefa nti oye na jo so obekọ this side because oni say high mum na ben ho kakra no nsuo ni na say ehwe na ba ha no ye na say ne ono so e kame no ho akọ this side na ekowura amananum panyini ya nwi na nka nora owu ya enti nka se na nka omba behwe so omba be ye kwan ya na sesen
Nicholas Chere Kwame assemblyman na woni amani boni etwetwe nkomo ene wode to nanim se
timamu fuo ni bi ena na damro ma waso emu sa nipa no ani dwi kwan ya efri katokosi anyina so yi na omode excavator anyina besisi ha ana ye nim se nyame adom omo eba be ya adwuma but unfortunately ena aikoba se kan no omode baaye no how kakra ewo kaa ne ho ndi se omo de kaa no kọ na omo kọ siesie ansa na omo atumi de abebo line no a omo be hyehye covert no wom ena kaa no nso kọ ya emma biem
yedu ha kra ne yesu
ayento akase no eso na benfie du enumunie afiwei ene afia koko bag na ne ton ne bo no ehwiri ekosro na se wo keka bom 2023-2024 season yi die na ehwiri ko ohamu nchemu aduosia miensa na tripo enum entikoko na kane na nkomo eto no 800 no say wo mo ehwiri ede ekọ 1308 Adom TV kase etoso.
Recently, international prices of cocoa have remained relatively low and made worse by COVID-19. Despite of this, Cocoa Board and government have been taking the very hard decision of increasing producer price of cocoa. Cocoa prices have increased from 7,600 cedis per ton in 2016 to 12,800 cedis per ton in 2022, a significant increase of 68%. This has had an adverse impact on Cocoa Board's financial performance.
Chief Executive Officer ewo Cocoa Board Joseph Wahin edu echiremu se wagidi ye pa se entumu ya beboa ama Cocoa akuafo abrabo etumi akonkan.
Chese bibi bia ya soronko bia wo Cocoa adwuma bia no omampanyini ena di aba ana nansu yi akoba se ye bie Cocoa eye September not October enam omampanyini so ana eba enti no Ghana Cocoa akuafo nyina miami gira manam border nam egina Ghana kokwa kwafo nyina nam yeda omampanyin yedo asipi koswa na so emusa
Nani wokoko eho ansem yi no Cocoa Purchasing Corporations for be a day at the start to akuafo anim tichu no cocoa akuafo no wose won mani die mu a se wo mo ton won kwaye de magalamsefo no won munyai efisem faso e wo cocoa no so sene se ye de be mafo magudie tuofo no wa sensase no Adom TV etoso
no ko so mani adwuma eno so be ma sa unemployment rate na akoso be ma crime rate akoso o che be ba local committees ni nje timu se galam se de afaso bi ani ho a eye de boa ye kwan bia so ndi ye ndi ni so de hu ni se ye pese galam se be koso kra se na be ya dende yina no e betumi amakoko na tena ho na create employment especially in the rural communities we say wo ko ba bia e wa catch for ho diwo for ho o mo so akoko o mo e do adopa o mo spray ha ni nyina no ya de adwuma ya o mo eye e wo ko ne ho se ko ne ni ho a obede na wonya sa adwuma no na sa fo yina no betena fi a o munti minye ska bia emfa ho mo yere no mama no ne se enti na madende ene de toto extra ban ni susa ban so o mo waye o galam se ne ho na mka o fa tabo bi emfa nto kokwa so
Henry Owusu eye operations manager ewo Cocoa Merchants ono so etu mabunu nyina afo se wonfo won ho enhyekuye mu no wonyai chachato
bibia no ha chen kraye we kraye abedi di daachi obedi di afemo so no ho kotu na nde di so wo hwese enne daachi na obedi sketsi ya wa hwe ya wa dwen so obedi sketsi so no betima ya kosi da ben opema hin na betu twa bet e di ayi e di se kwafo ni na nkran do ya award ye sheda ye best food farmer ina nse di she mobulu nkran so fo hu she kraye isa se kraye so ya de ebo man pa de bebo wo ko mpo de economic tree o ye no we guarantee
Ana yamafani na nado dankwa kufuado apao ye 2 boundary class ships eho entuma wo Western Naval Command no wo second D e wa toyamantam no emu na wohwe ya amamre no mu a Ghana Navy so won mo e wa sudie se abrano bia no yensuo no so no won mo esuma srafo koho na won mo kobo ban ehwese bambo mu nsam bibia koyie enu so nti ene ne ya pao eho entuma Adom kase etwase
have the enormous responsibility on the Navy in seeing to it that the maritime spaces of Ghana and the region are safe and secure. And that is why we're taking steps to retool the Ghana Navy. Indeed, government's retooling of the security services, including the Navy, has yielded positive results in the maritime domain. Ghana has not recorded any attack or kidnapping on shipping in the last 2 years.
Dominic Nitiwul eye Minister of Defense na wakasa wodwumade na se no ene wadi tu ja se eposo banbo eye ade a ehia ewo man mu pa esan se wotimi bo eposo ban a enya ade se nipa bonefo ebetumi afiri man foforo bi mu aba be wura wo man mu ofasa akonya no so ebo US man no aba so aba betai armed forces adwumayefo ma ene mema nyina echi.
Your Excellency, the security of our waters matters not only to us but also to our partners as well, since the safety, the wealth, and the health of the oceans are intertwined and transnational. It is therefore pleasing to see our partners take keen interest in our security sector through capacity building equipment upgrades. The United States particularly has been of enormous help to our men and women in the armed forces. The support that they have been offering the armed forces has increased exponentially since I assumed office as the Minister for Defense of this Republic.
Michael Kwaununu, a marine surveyor, a watercrade.
Any abedi a che ya one of the National Petroleum Authority ye Lenda Sante nene wadin samu to jachire mu se petroleum nyuwakuo no mu no akonya no aba no asudie no wo ho se ma yade ye ho agimu ye pa wo se ba bi aduro no e wo se ma nso fango mu nimde no a ye wo no yenso yade ye ho ba be hyemu na won buta yenso obedru ho
denim se eye mema adwuma enso maka kra wo nti sa nkranhye ene chechidom na menya ne the motivation say I can make it no so I can wanna mamadu pempensu nti meni asopa me de be so befa kwanya we atu Ghana nkwara ene ma omuko school say the omo ye bia omo fa ne serious na emma no so SS4 no ne university omo fa science serious because so far science serious opportunities be brave omo
abasobodi a wode mu ano eye leadership excellence award se watimi eto ne ho asiwa wode boama ewo NPA adwumayeko no emu ofasa akwanya so edito ma nyina nim se okosuku no akwakusua de a won hwehwe fango ho adesua de no wonsua se be ya wo bewie no no wo adwumayeko yi ho nimde.
So far, so good. Government, through the Ministry of Education, a lot to encourage into science and then mathematics. And also, a bit to do petroleum and our energy sector. And so I think it's buying so a family. They can see our phone so and so because so heading crash my mamma and say, bet me, my enjoy mammy man and corn. Say me to me, yeah. A man a banus bit me. Jumani, dear, science, the heading. Say we are determined, so we want to do it. Now we look up to say be me, so you should need to challenge yourself. Now when you be a mentor, say mommy wait me here, and I miss a wait me, I miss me, and now everything is possible. It is all about perseverance.
Maminyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay no aha na medisi medi afia amankwa tamaklo mamisima be numi na menkwaje sankra to yi emra. The Bonkrata na crowd online stories no so e wo ho ne dwumadi nkaye me basisi anyi free ha ne ento aso.